Today we will walk you through replacing an LED awning light strip on your camper.
And before we start, let's turn the power to the light off. Let's go ahead and unroll the awning and remove the cover on the hardware to expose the wires.
Okay, we're going to remove the silicone sealant and pull the wires out of the wall. Now cut the two wires closer to the light strip itself.
Now we'll slide the light out of the track. Measure the old light and cut the new light to the correct length using the nearest cut location. And now we'll slide the new light into the track. Let's hook up the light.
We want to orient our wires the same as when we remove them. Feel free to look at the old light to match up the colors.
Now that your light is assembled, tuck the wires back inside the wall and reseal everything up the way you found it. Now attach the cover back to the awning hardware.
Excellent, nice work.